Hi, I'm Tyler Gleeden, National Product Manager for Safety Sensors here at SICK. Today I'm going to talk to you about the EtherNet IP and PROFINET versions of our microScan3 safety laser scanner family. But first I want to tell you about some of the unique features that are present in all of our microScan3 variants. The microScan3 uses patented scanning technology called Safe HDDM. That stands for Safe High Definition Distance Measurement. Most scanners use a conventional single beam measurement principle which generates 500 pulses per scan. Safe HDDM generates more than 80,000 pulses per scan. This additional data combined with intelligent algorithms that are built into the scanner results in much more reliable scanner performance. It enables the microScan3 to be highly resistant to things such as ambient light, dust and dirt in the air and on the screen, flying sparks, and mutual interference. This means less downtime and higher productivity. Another feature of the microScan3 that can help reduce downtime is the Event History tool. This tool can be used to identify protective field infringement quantities and locations. The last 152 events are recorded in the scanner, and the measurement data for the last 30 events is recorded. Let me show you how it works.
The Event History tool is found under the Diagnostic section of the Safety Designer software. Here, you will see a list of the events that resulted in a stop. You will also see a visual overview of those events. You can select an event via either method. On the right side of the screen, you will actually see the measurement data for the chosen event. We also have an event table that gives more detailed information about each event. Here you will see information such as the time the event occurred, the duration, the angle, and distance.
Those are some of the key features available in all of our microScan3 safety laser scanners. Now let's talk about the EtherNet IP and PROFINET versions. Our microScan3 EtherNet IP scanner is able to communicate directly with safety PLCs on an EtherNet IP safe bus system with SIP safety, such as Allen Bradley guard logics and compact guard logics, just like the one that we have here today. This is the first scanner on the market capable of this. The microScan3 PROFINET scanner can communicate directly with safety PLCs on a PROFINET safe bus system with ProfiSafe data communication, such as the Siemens Simatic S7-1500 and S7-300. Being able to communicate directly to a safety PLC has many benefits. Installation is simplified as you have minimal wiring and hardware since the scanner is connected directly to the existing safety PLC. Configuration is quick and easy since it can be done via the network. Maintenance work is reduced thanks to a centralized access to the diagnostics. And Industry 4.0 capabilities are greater because of all of the available information in the scanner, including measurement data, is being communicated to the safety PLC along with the other sensors on the network. It's important to note that SICK has quick start guides available to help you integrate our microScan3 scanners with the Allen Bradley and Siemens safety PLCs. Please contact your local SICK rep to have them sent to you. The last thing I want to talk to you about is our SIM4 safety capability that is enabled by the direct, safe field bus integration into the EtherNet IP and PROFINET networks.
SIM4 safety allows 4 protective fields to be active at the same time. This means one scanner can do the work of 4. Each protective field has its own output, so you can control 4 different machines or 4 different parts of a machine with one scanner. This can be used to trigger different speeds on a robot. The robot will incrementally slow down as a person approaches it. When the field closest to the robot is infringed, the robot will come to a standstill. Another good application for SIM4 safety is tire curing presses. When a person enters field 4, only the right arm will stop. If field 3 is infringed, both the right arm and right curing press will stop, but the left side will continue to operate. These are just some examples of how SIM4 safety can be used to maximize productivity.
That's all I have for you today. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website at www.sickusa.com or contact your local SICK rep. Thanks for watching.